In order to begin to reinvent your life, you've got to make a conscious, deliberate, determined effort. That you really got to put all of yourself into it.
There must be discipline. Discipline calls for strength and fortitude and will. It won't accept weakness. It won't tolerate a breakdown in will. It will put you on the path to strength and intelligence and happiness and freedom.
It's one thing to talk about your destiny, but it's another thing to make the decisions, to wake up when you know you're supposed to wake up, to say no to that party that you know is not going to help you, saying no when your boss is saying stop, but you put in 50 more push-ups. You can't just talk about it. You gotta be about it.